Hey, buddy.
We have been standing here on the edge of the Suez Canal for hours, staring at the back, the stern of this ship, trying to figure out if it's moving. And just in the last few minutes, finally, major movement. You really can see it shifting. It's looking like this 7-day crisis is finally coming to an end. When we set up at this live location really not that long ago, the Ever Given was over my left shoulder in the same spot it's been stuck for a week, snarling global shipping traffic. But just in the last hour, that ship has finally sailed past us, heading north up the Suez Canal on that long delayed journey. It looks like this crisis is finally coming to an end.
Are you a fan of our videos? Be sure to subscribe to Worldwide Campus News and Entertainment. Then ring the bell to see all notifications about the new videos and the latest video.